Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at an Excel formula which is somewhat unusual but has some interesting applications. So let's say you're in a probability class and are studying the probability distribution of tossing a dice. Now you want to generate a list of 15 random numbers between 1 to 6. So what's the first idea that naturally comes to mind? Well, the first idea is to type it in manually. So let's see. So let's say we are to generate numbers between 1 to 6 and 15 of them. So let's quickly generate them. Let's also be sure that we insert an element of randomness in these numbers so that they truly look like random numbers. Now we got 12 of them. Let's enter some more. Let's check if we have 15 of them. Yes, we do. So this is how we had to generate 15 numbers. Seems rather simple, right? Now imagine for a moment that your requirement was to generate a list of say 200 numbers or even worse, let's say 1,000 numbers. Then how would you generate this manually? So here's where Excel does provide us with an inbuilt interesting formula which can help you in such a case, and that formula is called RANDBetween. So let's see how does this work. So the formula looks like this. So the formula says that it will generate random numbers between a bottom and a top. Now the bottom and the top specifies the lower limit and the upper limit of the range of numbers that you require. So for instance, for tossing a dice, we know that we need numbers in the range of 1 to 6. So let's try that out. So let's say we enter 1 to 6 and there we are. It's generated a random number for us. Now if we just drag this formula, it will help generate a list of random numbers. It's as simple as that. Now one thing you need to be careful of is remember that RANDBetween has the functionality of getting changed every time the sheet is recomputed. For example, if you just enter number 4 here and hit enter, if you notice this entire list of numbers has changed. Now if you were to change this again, you see that the list of numbers changes again. So what we want to do here is, once we have generated the list of random numbers, we want to make sure that we freeze them. The simplest way we can do them is we can just select the list, we can copy it by Control C, and we can do a Control Alt V, paste special, and we select values only. Now what this has done is, if you refresh the sheet or change the sheet in any way, the formula will not be refreshed. There we are. This is a much simpler, much more useful way of generating random numbers. So next time you need a random number list, use this to save time and ensure the list has numbers within the required range. Hope this was useful. Till next time.